What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I looked at NIO on Monday. I was expecting price to continue lower towards the low fours, and you can see that price is slowly still trickling lower to the mid $4 level. So again, that is a measure move target from the prior impulse down. The expectation is for the market to create a similar size leg, and that would take price right to sub $5 level. Price is barely finding support at the mid 7, low 7, so it's starting to get lower and lower, starting to break support. And you can see that today is a pretty bearish looking candle, and we could still see further downside. Price is below the EMA, price is below this trend line. I would need to see what I drew out right back over here on Monday for me to be bullish. I want to see higher highs, higher lows, and then a small correction, followed by more higher highs, higher lows, small correction. So I want to see an uptrend. Until then, this is looking bearish because price is not even going up. It's just going sideways from a prevailing trend that was down. So again, this is just the bears taking a break for them to continue selling off this stock. So again, looking pretty bearish. I would need to see something drastically change for NIO for me to be bullish. But until then, this is going to be a very rough stock for the bulls. It's going to be mostly headed towards the downside. That's what the technicals are telling me. We are at support, but again, is support going to hold against everything else? This downward trend line, the EMA, the measure move target, the bearish bias, and the bearish momentum for quite a long time now? Probably not. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, this is not looking good for NIO. We do have earnings report coming up maybe sometime next month, so that could maybe change things. But until then, price is still looking pretty weak. Just look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart shows that today's candle or this week's candle is pretty bearish. It can also finish red for the remaining days left. Price is below the EMA, the trend line. It's just at the all-time lows of this downtrend. It's not at the all-time lows for the stock. It still has further downside to go if it wants to get back over there. Pre-2020. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, some Chinese stocks are coming near the all-time lows. So again, NIO could also come near its all-time lows. So that's all I have for NIO. Basically, it's still bearish until I see the chart telling me it wants to go up. Until then, I got to be leaning more towards the downside. That's all I have for NIO on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.